Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10, 5th chapter arithmetic progressions. In that first exercise I am doing already in the first subdivision 6 sums I have completed. I will continue with the 7th sum. Which of the following, in 4th subdivision I have completed 6 sums. I will continue with the 7th sum. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write the 3 more terms. Okay. So in the question, first term A is 0 and the common difference is -4 minus 0. So we are getting -4. So for checking whether the given terms are in AP, one more thing also we can do. Same procedure only. That is, this D is, first one is A2 minus A1. Next we are going to check this A3 minus A2. So that we can write it like that. A2 minus A1 is equal to whatever answer we are getting. The same thing only in different format I am writing, that's all. So A2 minus A1 is -4 here. Okay, the same way A3 minus A2. A3 is -8 minus -4. So -8 plus 4, so that will be -4. So here A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. So they are in AP. They are in AP. Okay. Then next sum is, first term is -1/2. A is -1/2. And the difference is A2 minus A1. So A2 is -1/2 minus -1/2. So this is -1/2 plus 1/2. So here the difference is 0. A2 minus A1 is 0. So the next difference when we are finding, that is A3 minus A2. So here all the terms are same only. So -1/2 minus -1/2. So this is -1/2 plus 1/2. So this is 0. So we got, this is D and this is A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. So both are equal. 0 is equal to 0. So they are in AP. They are in AP. But one more thing they are asking us to form. If they form an AP, we are asked to find the common difference and write the next 3 more terms we are asked to write. So they are in AP. So the common difference already we found, that as -4. The next 3 terms will be A4. So A4 is A3 plus D. So A3 is -8. A4 already it is there. Okay, now we will find from A5. So A5 is A4 plus D. A4 is -12 plus difference is -4. So we will get -16. So this is the next term. Next 3 terms we are asked to find. Then A6 is A5 plus D. So this is A5 is -16 plus -4. This is -20. Then A7 is A6 plus D. So that is -20 plus -4. So that is -24. So these are the next 3 terms. That is -16, -20, -24. Okay. So here also they are in AP. So the next 3 terms will be the same thing. Since the difference is 0, we will be adding this term with 0. Third term with 0, we will get the fourth term also as the same thing. So the next 3 terms also will be the same thing. -1/2, -1/2. Like that only we will get. Okay. Then here A is 1. Common difference is A2 minus A1 is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Then the next common difference is A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. So A3 is 9, 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So here A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. That is 2 not equal to 6. So they are not in AP. They are not in AP. Okay. Sum is 10th one. So first term is A here. The common difference is A2 minus A1. So that is 2A minus A. Again we will get the difference also as A. Okay. Then the next difference is a3 minus a2. So a3 is 3a minus 2a. So that is also 3a minus 2a is also a. So here a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. So this is equal here. So they are in AP. They are in AP. Then we are asked to find the next three terms. So already till a4 it is there. So a5 is equal to a4 plus d. So a4 is 4a. 4a plus a is 5a. Then a6 is a5 plus d. So 5a plus a is 6a. Then a7 is a6 plus d is equal to 6a plus a, that is 7a. So the next three terms are 5a, 6a, 7a. Okay. Then next one is, first term is a. Difference is a squared, that is a2 minus a1. So a2 is a squared minus a. So this one will be a into a minus 1. So this is the difference. Okay. So the next difference is d is equal to a3 minus a2. So a3 is a cube minus a square. So here in this, I will take a squared common out. So balance will be a minus 1. Okay, so here a2 minus a1 not equal to a3 minus a2. So what is a2 minus a1? A into a minus 1. So not equal to a3 is a squared into a minus 1. So they are not in AP. They are not in AP. So no need to find the next three terms. Then next one is here a is root 2. Okay. Then difference is a2 minus a1. So a2 is root 8 minus root 2. So in this one, root 8 we can split it as 4 into 2. Root of 4 into 2 minus root 2. So here in this root 4, value for root 4 is 2. So here 2 root 2 minus root 2. So the difference will be root 2 here. 2 root 2 minus 2, root 2 is root 2 here. Same way the next one also, a3 minus a2. So a3 is root 18 minus root 8. So the same way here, 9 2s are 18 we can write, and here this is 4 into 2. So this one is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So here also we are getting the difference as root 2. Both the difference are same. So they are in AP. They are in AP. So the next three terms is, till a4 it is there. So a5 is, one thing is we can write it as a4 plus d, or the next one is a plus 4d. Like that also we can find the next term, a plus 4d. In both the ways we can find. One is the before term plus difference, if we are finding we will get the next term, or else a plus 4d, like that. If since it is the fifth term, we can write it as a plus 4d. So a is root 2 here plus 4 into a is root 2, difference is also root 2. Okay, so this one we can write it as 5 root 2. So this 5 root 2 we can write it as 5 squared into 2. So for 25, 5 5s are 25 into 2 is 50. This we can write it as root 50. This root 50 only we are writing it as 5 root 2. Okay, then next one is a6. So a plus 5d. So that is root 2 plus 5 root 2. So this is 6 root 2. 36 into 2 is 36 into 2. That is 72. Root 72. Then next one is a7. A plus 6d. So that is root 2 plus 6 root 2. So that is 7 root 2. So 49 into 2. 49 into 2 is 98. Root 98. So the next three terms are, next three terms for this is root 50, root 72 and root 98. So like this it has to be found. Okay. Next one is 13th sum. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. So first term is root 3. Then the common difference is root 6 minus root 3. A2 minus A1. So here this 6 we cannot simplify anything. That is, if we are simplifying this 6, 2 into 3 only we will get. There is no square numbers here. So again we need to write it like that only. If we are splitting it as root 2 and root 3, again we will be having this root 2 separately. So we cannot simplify this further. So the difference is root 6 minus root 3 only. Then the next difference is A3 minus A2. So A3 is root 9 minus root 6. Root 9 we can write it as 3, but root 6 we cannot write anything. So here we are getting the difference as root 6 minus root 3. Here we are getting 3 minus root 6. So A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. So they are not in AP. They are not in AP. Okay. Then the next one is, first term is 1 squared A. Then the common difference is A2 minus A1. So A2 is 3 squared minus A1 is 1 squared. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So the difference is 8 here. Then the next difference is A3 minus A2. A3 is 5 squared minus 3 squared. So 5 5s are 25 minus 9 is 16 we are getting. So the first difference we got it as 8. The next difference we are getting it as 16. So A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. So they are not in AP. They are not in AP. Okay. Then the next sum is the last sum. A is 1 square, that is 1. So difference is A2 minus A1. So that is 25 minus 1, 24. The next difference is A3 minus A2. A3 is 7 squared minus 5 squared. So 49 minus 25, that is also 24. So the difference is same here. So that is A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. So they are in AP. They are in AP here. So now we will find the next 3 terms. Till A4 it is given. Then A5 is A4 plus D. So A4 is 73 plus 24. So that is 97. Then A6 is A5 plus D. A5 is 97 plus 24. So that is 7 plus 4, 11, 121. Then A7 is A6 plus D. That is 121 plus 24. So 145. So these are the next 3 terms. 97, 121, 145. Like that we do. Okay, so this is the next 3 terms. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.